You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making Zobo drink. These are special ginger, this is garlic, I'll be using cloves, looking beautiful, and this hibiscus leaf or flower, this flower. Okay, with my pineapple. Okay, take your time and peel all these beauties. In a clean pot with water, add your washed hibiscus flower. Pour in your blended clove with ginger and garlic, but I did mine where I pounded mine, no lights. So allow it to cook. After cutting your pineapple, use your pestle. If you don't, your blender is not available, use your pestle to crush them all before you pour straight into the pot. Look at that, beautiful. Pour straight into your pot. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to like this video. Always join me in the next video by clicking on the subscribe button. Be a part of this lovely family. We cook, we bake, we decorate cakes, we do many pastries you will not even expect. After cooking it for hours, take your time to sieve out every. This is an easy drink you can enjoy with your family. Very healthy. For the cloves, it helps your children not to purge, to clean their stomach, help them not to vomit or purge. For the ginger and garlic, it's boost up your immune system and other health benefits you're not even aware of. So feel free to try out this, and you communicate with me in my Telegram to tell me how the outcome was. That's beautiful. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. You can join this lovely family by subscribing. I'm adding only one pineapple flavor. Only one was more than enough for this Zobo drink. So feel free to try this, and I know you will come back to thank me later. It's well sieved, beautiful. Please don't forget to like this video. Oh my god, this is super ready. Just pour in your containers and you store in your fridge. Thanks for watching. Bye.